You're not gonna laugh when you have hiccups now.
No.
Do you think that's funny? Do you think this is funny?
Come on, let me see it. Let me see that belly laugh.
Do you think this is funny? Do you think?
Peekaboo.
You're not gonna laugh now because you have hiccups?
Peekaboo.
Whoa.
I'm trying to laugh, but I have the hiccups now.
He says, Ma, you gave me the hiccups. Mama.
Oop.
Oh, goodness. Let me get a diaper on before you poop on me. Let me get a diaper on you before you poop on me. You're so cute. You're such a sweet boy. You love having your diaper changed. You're a little nudist baby. Yeah. Wow. You're having a lot of emotions right now. Put your legs down. Thank you. Put your legs down. You can do that. You're so silly. Oh my goodness, you're such a silly baby. Bend your leg. Bend your leg. Bend your leg. Bend it. Thank you. There's one. Where's the other leg? You're so happy. Are you clean? Yeah, clean and fresh. Clean and fresh. You clean and fresh. You fresh baby. Oh, goodness.